Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here. Today we're going to be talking down a cylinder head. I'll show you the sequence and the foot-pounds and specs on a 2008 to 2000 up TSI 2.0 turbo Volkswagen motor found in the Jetta, the Tiguan, the CC, the Passat, GTI. Okay, first thing you're going to need one little special tool to start it. It looks like this. It looks like a star. It looks like a Torx, but it's not really a Torx. It's a 6-point squared. It's hard to get it in focus, but let me show you the nuts over here. I mean the bolt. You see that? It's like a special tool, special socket. You can get it on eBay, Amazon. You just punch in your year, make, and model, and it'll come up this tool. You're gonna need a torque wrench. Half-inch torque wrench and maybe a 1/4-inch torque wrench for the other bolts, and a regular extension ratchet. And I'll show you the sequence. Now this is the front of the engine. Okay. Now, okay, let's do it like if it's in the car. If it's in the car, you're going to be looking at it like this. All right. Whoa. So the sequence is going to be. They say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It really doesn't matter. So to make it easier, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay? That's going to be the torque sequence. Now, you're going to get your torque wrench down there, and you're going to torque them to 30 foot-pounds first. Now, after you torque it to 30 foot-pounds, you're going to have to go 90 degrees, torque them all down again, and then another additional 90 degrees. Now, once you got them down to 30, right, and when you start torquing, 90 degrees is easy. You just put a regular ratchet wrench like this on there, make sure it's pretty much straight, and then you just torque it until it's 90, like around like that. Okay, it's not that bad like if it was a 60 or a 70. So, and that's how you do it. Okay, and you do 90, the whole sequence I just showed you, and then an additional 90. Now, for the little ones in the front over here, these are Torx, and what they want them is 71 inch-pounds. So you torque them to 71 inch-pounds, and then an additional 90 on these as well. Okay? And then that completes the cylinder torque down. All right? Hope that cleared it up for you. Make it easy for you guys. Motorcar Nut, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Questions below. I answer them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.